Hello, this is our HVAC room. This is the AHU, okay, and this is the panel. But we are here from the subcontractor evaluation team for the checking the traverse of this offside AHU number 3. This is AHU number 3. Here is 4 duct, supply duct, return duct, fresh air duct or exhaust duct. So we are taking the traverse, okay. This is the traverse data, but this is same like HU3, but this is HU number 6, okay. This is the supply traverse. There is 3 hole and we are taking each hole of 4 reading, okay. Supply duct size 400 into 300 and the flow in liter per second is 490 is design. In ms we convert this 4.08. Actual we received 501 and we change in meter per second, we get 4.20. This is a static pressure, okay, and this is our number of readings for the each hole, okay. Now total we get 103% for the supply duct traverse. This one is for the return duct traverse. Duct size 300 into 300. This one is required, this one is designed, this one is actual, this one is a static pressure in the duct. This one is number of hole is 1, 2, 3 and the reading is for each hole is 3. The total number of reading is 9. So this one we get total and divided by 9 we get 4.37 meter per second, okay, and we find out in percentage here, no problem, okay. This one is taking with traverse for the supply duct and the return duct. This one is okay. First we take the traverse, after that we will take the every outlets. This one is outlets, this one is room location, area sub, HU room, ESMA room, A location. This one is F01, this one is location, and this one is sub outlets. It means SG means supply grill. This one is grill size. This one is AK factor. How can we find out AK factor? We here 150 into 100. This one is size and multiply by factor 0.75. We will get here AK area factor, okay. This one is design velocity 2.66 and we change it in flow LS, liter per second. If we have 30 liter per second, we can change in meter per second. 2.66 we get. This one is conversion, okay, no problem. Actual we achieved 2.75, 2.58, 2.38 and now we can change here. So this one is our outlets, this one is design for the supply grill and here we achieved actual for the supply. This one is supply outlets, supply grill. So this is the data we need to fill. Here unit data will go to the HU and there is a nameplate. We see in the nameplate and write it, note it here. This is supply pan data. Here pressure drop, we will check pressure drop 4 places. Pre-filter, back filter, cooling coil, heating coil. Here design will be and we note down the actual and write here. Supply fan data, there is a supply fan data, there is a nameplate. We take the nameplate picture and design will be here in the nameplate and we measure the actual and write it here. Return fan data, we take the nameplate picture, design will write it here and actual we note and write it here. supply fan motor data. This one is supply fan only, return fan only. Now there is a motor which helps to rotate the supply fan. So we write it here for the fan motor, supply fan motor. Actual will be here, design will be here, and we compare the difference. Return fan motor data, design will be here, actual will be here. Then supply fan other data, return fan other data. It means drive टाइप क्या है, बेल्ट है, फैन पुली डाया, शाफ्ट फैन शाफ्ट पुली डाया, मोटर पुली डाया, मोटर शाफ्ट डाया, शाफ्ट सेंटर डिस्टेंस. Shaft center distance, it means both shaft, motor shaft and the blower shaft will measure the distance for these two shaft. Okay, after that, this is the basic data we collect from the AHU, from the nameplate of supply fan motor, supply fan other data, and after that our work will be finished after making it balancing. द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है कि जब हम ट्रावर्स लेते हैं उस टाइम में ट्रावर्स अगर परसेंटेज थोड़ा ज़्यादा रखते हैं तो बैलेंसिंग करने के बाद सारा आउटलेट के बाद AHU में और डक्ट में थोड़ा प्रेशर बढ़ता है, तो वो क्या होता है, अगर ज़्यादा रखते हैं तो थोड़ा उसका परसेंटेज कम होता है, तो बाद में जाके हमको रियल 100% अचीव हो जाता है. जैसे 120% ट्रावर्स रखे हैं, सारा आउटलेट बैलेंसिंग करने के बाद वो प्रेशर थोड़ा परसेंटेज थोड़ा डिक्रीज रहेगा, जैसे 105 आएगा, 103 आएगा लास्ट में. तो शुरू में हम लोग ट्रावर्स का परसेंटेज थोड़ा ज़्यादा रखते हैं, ये और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है. ओके, थैंक यू जी.